Which under-desk walking pad is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Sail Long Remote Control. The Sail Long Walking Pod Remote Replacement. This little device caught my attention because it's super affordable at just $9.99 and is designed for specific treadmill models. If you want an easy way to control your walking pod without fumbling around, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This remote control allows you to operate your treadmill from up to 33 feet away, which means you can adjust your speed or stop without getting up. Plus, it features a 360-degree control, making it user-friendly and intuitive. It's lightweight, durable, and even comes with a battery included, so you can use it right out of the box. Now, some people complained about the compatibility issues, stating it only works with specific models. Here's the thing though, if you own one of those compatible treadmills, this remote makes your workout way more convenient. But if you have a different model, then it's definitely a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you own a compatible treadmill and want to enhance your walking experience. Skip this one if your treadmill isn't on the compatibility list. At $9.99, it's a solid investment for those who need a reliable remote. Now, if the compatibility concern bothered you, this next product offers a broader solution for your walking routine.
Product number 2, Urevo Treadmill Mat. Let's talk about the Urevo Foldable Treadmill Mat, priced at $23.99. I was drawn to this mat because it promises to protect your floors while being super easy to store. If you're looking for a way to keep your space tidy while working out, this is definitely worth checking out. Why is this mat a must-have? It measures 63 by 26 inches, providing ample coverage for your treadmill, and it's foldable, which means it shrinks down to a compact size for easy storage. The honeycomb shock absorption technology reduces noise by 90%, so you won't wake up the neighbors during your morning workout. Plus, its waterproof design makes it a breeze to wipe clean after a sweaty session. Now, some users mention that it can slide a bit on certain floors. Here's the thing though, if you have a very smooth surface, just using a non-slip rug pad underneath can easily solve that issue. For most people, the benefits of this mat far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mat that protects your floors and minimizes noise. Skip this one if you have a very slippery floor without a plan to secure it. At $23.99, it's a great value for anyone serious about their workout space. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing an all-in-one solution.
Product number 3, Aber Walking Pad Mat. I found this mat really appealing due to its compact nature and functionality. If convenience is key for you, this mat is worth your attention. So why does this mat stand out? It's specifically designed for compact walking pads and stationary bikes, measuring 51 inches long by 23.6 inches wide. This means it fits perfectly under your desk or in small spaces without any hassle. It's foldable, making it easy to tuck away after your workout, and the waterproof surface repels sweat, keeping your floors clean. Plus, with anti-slip features, it stays put no matter how intense your workout gets. However, some folks pointed out it might be too small for larger equipment. Here's the thing though, if you own a compact walking pad or bike, the size is just right. If you have a full-size treadmill, then this may not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you need a space-efficient mat for your compact equipment. Skip this one if you have larger fitness machines. At $17.99, it's an excellent choice for those with limited space. Now, if you're looking for a more advanced option that offers versatility, then keep watching because this next product might intrigue you.
Product number 4, Ha 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 Walking Pad Treadmill. The Ha 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 Walking Pad Treadmill, priced at $119.99. What caught my eye is its compact design and multifunctionality. If you want a walking pad that can do more than just walk, this one is worth considering. Here's why this treadmill is impressive. It features a powerful 3.0 HP motor that allows speeds from 0.6 to 7.6 miles per hour, giving you flexibility for different workouts. It also has an incline feature, allowing you to switch up your routine for added intensity. The noise level is under 45 decibels, which means you can use it anytime without disturbing anyone. Plus, the cushioned deck is designed to support your joints, making it easier to exercise for longer sessions. Now, some users mention that it can take up a bit of space when not folded. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about walking while you work, the benefits of this treadmill far outweigh any space concerns. It's built to fit into your lifestyle, especially if you have the room for it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile walking pad that can keep up with your fitness goals. Skip this one if you're really tight on space. At $119.99, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about staying active at home. All right, that was a fantastic option. But for those of you who want to combine work and fitness seamlessly, this final product might just be what you need.
Product number 5, FLCJ LXJFX Walking Pad Desk. We have the FLCJ LXJFX Walking Pad Desk, priced at $79.99. What really drew me to this is how it transforms your walking pad into a full workstation. If you're trying to balance work and fitness without sacrificing either, this is absolutely worth checking out. Why is this desk attachment a smart choice? It fits over 20 different walking pad models, giving you a lot of flexibility. The oversized 24-inch desktop and adjustable height up to 41 inches ensure you can work comfortably while walking. The heavy-duty frame supports up to 50 pounds, so you can securely place your laptop or monitor without worry. Plus, it only takes about 10 minutes to set up, making it hassle-free. However, some users felt it was a bit heavy to move around. Here's the thing, if you plan on using it as a fixed workstation, this isn't a deal breaker. It's designed to stay put, which is great for stability. This is perfect for you if you're working from home and need to stay active throughout the day. Skip this one if you prefer a standalone treadmill. At $79.99, it's a fantastic value for those looking to improve their productivity and fitness simultaneously.
To wrap it up, we explored a range of options, from the affordable Sailong remote to the versatile FLCJYLXJF desk attachment. Each product has its unique strengths, whether you need convenience, noise reduction, or a full workstation solution. Whichever you choose, you're on the right path to a more active workday.